Well, hello, doodads and dudettes. I have a few packages, enough to do a mail call. I like mail call videos. Hopefully you do too. So, let's start with this biggest one first. I'll get it centered in a second. Ooh, it's a beefy one. What do we have? Oh, I know what this is. This is a power supply for an Atari 520 ST. Just picked this up. Nothing came with it. Power supply is the first thing to be added. Then I need to find a monitor or a cable to be able to run it on a normal monitor. But this thing came all the way from Alaska. Glad to have it. Alright, next up is whatever is in here. Yeah, I remember what that is. I bought 2 bananas for scale. One being metric and one being imperial. I find that just absolutely hilarious. And it came with a fidget spinner. That's kind of cool. It's a little extra bonus. That's nice. But now I have 2 bananas for scale. Dorky designs. I found them on eBay. Alright, next I have a package from Amazon. I think I know what it is. Yes. I ordered the cordless screwdriver by Ifixit. I love their tool sets. They're fantastic and have all kinds of bits in them. I doubt this is charged. No, it is not. So I'm going to okay. So I'm going to get this and I will give it a review on another date. Well, after looking over this thing a little bit more, it doesn't have any batteries. This is all that came with it. Guess I should have read that description a little bit further, so I'm not too happy with this. If I gotta, well, I can always buy some rechargeable batteries, but I was hoping for something I could plug in at the end, pull it off, and use. Apparently not. Okay, last item from today came from Italy. Oop, feels like it's right there. So it took a while, but it came a lot quicker than expected. In fact, the eBay sale has not even updated that it has been delivered, and it's been sitting here for a couple of days now. This is an adapter to use my Commodore 64 power supply to power my 128. If anybody knows, the 128 power supply is just this big honking hunk of mess. Oh, let me show it to you. I got one sitting right here. There you go, banana for scale. It takes up precious room on my bench, and now I can use my much smaller Commodore 64 power supply made by Commodore forever. It's a very good unit. And save that space on my bench. Thank you very much. Let me know what you think about some of these items. Thank you. Bye.